So, you might be wondering how to exactly start using your keycards in SurrounDead. Well, using them is quite easy, so how do you exactly use them? Now, to use keycards, you need to look for what we call bunkers. Now, inside those bunkers, you need to use the keycards to access certain locations. Like, for example, this bunker here. Let's go and just open up the laboratory doors here. And inside this laboratory, you should see a number of doors that will require you to use a keycard. Now, this one requires you to have a level 2 keycard. So let's go and just open this up. And currently we have a level 2 keycard. So we can go and just press F. And that will basically open the door for us. And yeah, so by the way, inside those doors here, there might be some enemies in here, and also maybe like clear up on some of your loot. For example, bring some extra guns, ammos, just in case. The number of bunkers that you could access are scattered throughout the map here, so you could go and just visit them. I'm not gonna mention where exactly everything is, but yeah, so you use those key cards to access those locations. That's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.